In today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix slowdown speeds on the Epic Games Launcher. If you've been struggling with slow game downloads, you're not alone. Whether you're downloading Fortnite, Rocket League, or any other game, slow speeds can be frustrating. But don't worry, we've got solutions to help you speed things up. First things first, we're going to try is changing the download region in the Epic Game Launcher. Sometimes Epic Game servers in your region may be slow or overloaded, causing delays in your download speeds. To change the download region, open the Epic Games Launcher and click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner. From the drop down menu, select Settings. Scroll down to the Download section, and on the Download region, you'll see a list of available regions. Pick a region that is geographically close to you but has fewer users connected. This can often improve the download speed. Sometimes the Epic Games Launcher can get stuck or slow down due to temporary issues. Pausing and then resuming your download can give it a fresh start. To do this, simply click the pause button next to download process bar and wait for a few seconds and then click again. Now, one of the most common causes of slow download speeds is your internet connection. It's a good idea to check your whether your internet is performing as expected. Test your connection, and if your internet speed is good but Epic Games is too low and slow, let's move on to some more advanced solutions. Another thing to check is whether other applications on your PC are using your bandwidth, like streaming videos or large file downloads. This can significantly slow down your Epic Games. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager. Now check for any apps or programs that might be using a lot of network resources. Select the program and click on End Task. End Task. Closing unnecessary background apps should free up bandwidth for the Epic Games Launcher and speed up your downloads. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions help you speed up your download in the Epic Games Launcher.